Hello, this is Editor Ojambo. Ojambo.com has reviewed lightweight programming editors. The link is ojambo.com/review-lightweight-programming-editors. Programming text editors contain extra features for easier workflow. The video will review Nano. The sponsor for the video is ojamboshop.com. Templates for WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla content management systems, e-commerce themes for Abercart, VirtualMart, and ZenCart at Ojambo Shop. Health books can be purchased at ojamboshop.com. In order to follow along with this tutorial, the following tools are required. Nano text editor, browser to view final output. I use Firefox and Chrome. Optional GVFS to handle remote files. From our file manager, I'll go to the remote server and go up to the file. Usually I open it in the terminal, but in this case I'll just log in first to the remote server, find the remote file, and go up to Tools, Open Current Folder in Terminal. In Terminal again I'll CCH to the remote server and let's open terminal test.html. Now to enable syntax highlighting, I list the folder user share nano and then I copy the files, or you can just use the include function. For example, include for the CSS file will be css.nanorc. I also put the HTML, Java, and PHP. Now save this configuration file for Nano as .nanorc. Okay, let's start up Nano and make a PHP. Just echo, this is a test for ojambo.com. When I save it, you'll notice that it automatically knows it's a PHP file. I'll save it as index.php. Control O, file name to write is index.php. Now what I'll do is enable multiple file buffers, which is Alt F, then Control R to open up a new buffer. In this case, I'm just going to paste to show you that you can copy and paste using the mouse. Now save it as index.html. Now to go to the previous document, it's Alt arrow left and Alt arrow right to go back to the next document. Now test the search and replace. It's Control R, then Control W, then Control R. Search to replace Ojambo with the Ojambo shop. Now for external integration, Control R and Control X. You can execute the function you want. Then we're going to test the spell function now. It's kind of like a snippet. So I'll type in something here, then Control T, and notice that it's working, so just cancel, Control C. Control K to remove a line. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute Control R, Control X, and open Firefox.html. Now close this, and now for the PHP, same thing, Control R, Control X, then apply PHP index.php. And it works as well. Now we're finished. Just Control X and I can save it, and Control X and I'll save it. From the terminal, of course, I can type PHP index.php and it also works as well. Very well. Nano is easy to use for coders of all programming levels. Nano has syntax highlighting and for many languages and a spell checker. Remember to visit the tutorial sponsor ojamboshop.com. I hope you find this information useful. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.